everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Glammed Up D. This is day 4 of my Slaytober series where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of the 31 days of October. Today's look is inspired by Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to outline her neck because I'm going to make it like seem skinny. So I'm going to cut some of my neck out. Going to shade this backspace in black. Next, I'm going to go in with that yellow. I'm going to fill in this part of the dress. Next, I'm going to go in with that pink shade and I'm going to fill in this part of the dress. In this bottom shade right here, I'm going to add that turquoise blue. Now I'm going in with that same blue right here on my face. Next, I'm going to outline the outside of the dress. And now I'm about to create the stitches on the shirt. I'm going to shade in the area to outline the shape of my eye. I know it's going to be hard for me to get these even. Next, I'm going in with that lighter blue to soften up. Now I'm going to outline the eye. And I'm going to go back to darken this area around the eye. I'm going to use that black paint to create some eyeliner. I'm going to go in with some white paint and highlight under my eyes. Then I'm going to go in and set that with my Athena Makeup Paint Palette setting powder. Then I'm going to contour in those same 2 blue shades I was using. This is the final look. Yeah, it came out so good. Oh my gosh. My swirls messed up towards the end, but it's cool. If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another look, and I will see you guys tomorrow in day 5.